Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have prerequisites, installer and a database file. First, open Sqlite Studio and click Add a database. Point to your Sqlite or DB file. Once added, make sure the connection appears in the left panel. You do this now so you can inspect schema and run queries immediately. If you don't have a file, create a new one in your project folder. Name it clearly. This step saves time by exposing tables and controls before deeper edits. Once the DB is visible, inspect tables by expanding the node. Click Table to see data and structure. Use the built-in SQL editor for select and updates. Type a query, press Execute to preview rows. When you need schema changes, right-click a table and choose Modify Table. Add columns or indexes and apply migrations safely. Make sure to use transactions for multi-step edits so you can roll back if something goes wrong. This keeps data intact while you adjust. To finish, run vacuum and analyze to compact and optimize the database. This improves performance after many changes. Export important tables or schema with the export wizard into CSV or SQL for backups. Make sure to close unused connections and save your project. If something goes wrong, check the key issue, file locks or permissions. Sqlite Studio cannot write if the file is read-only or locked by another process. Resolve locks. Reopen the DB and reapply change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.